Are you ready to have your mind blown by a collection of awe-inspiring inventions? Ever wondered what incredible feats of human ingenuity await us in the near future? Picture a world where technology seamlessly integrates with our daily lives, making the unimaginable a reality. Can you fathom gadgets that enhance our abilities, homes that adapt to our needs, or machines that redefine the way we experience the world? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will explore 12 ingenious inventions that will blow your mind. So let's get straight into the video. Number 12, Pyro Lance. Pyro Lance is not a military weapon, but a remarkable tool designed for firefighters and rescuers. This water lance boasts immense power capable of penetrating steel. With a pressure of 1,000 pounds per square inch, it can pierce through concrete blocks swiftly and extinguish flames effectively using a water mist. Moreover, this technology is water efficient, consuming only 20 gallons per minute compared to traditional methods that require approximately 120 gallons. Installing Pyro Lance on an ordinary pickup truck provides a cost-effective solution, especially considering the high expense of new fire trucks, which can cost around $750,000 in the United States. Number 11. Floating Artificial Islands. These floating artificial islands offer a dual purpose of cleaning and beautifying bodies of water. With water pollution being a leading cause of global diseases, these islands play a vital role. There are two types available, dry and wet. Dry islands, positioned above water, allow for the growth of larger plants. Both types provide shelter for fish and birds, stabilizing the ecosystem of the reservoir. Notably, coconut fiber is a key component, and it has been used for centuries in southern Bangladesh to grow vegetables using this method. These islands are an effective solution to combat water pollution. Number 10. Velo Luggage. Velo Luggage, a Kickstarter project, exceeded its goal of $10,000 by raising nearly $650,000. With the post-pandemic era upon us, people are eager to travel and explore. This Transformer suitcase is exceptionally sturdy, enduring tests such as withstanding a person's weight and surviving a drop from 35 inches. The key feature is its quick size changes, offering 3 height options: 16, 22, and 26 inches. Additionally, the optional packing Q set ensures efficient and organized packing. Number 9. True Limb. True Limb offers an innovative and customizable prosthetic limb. Developed by its creator while still in school, this product stands out for its extensive personalization options. Users can choose their preferred size, color, and other details from the comfort of their own homes, as the company provides the necessary equipment for customization. With 36 ultra-precise sensors providing 360-degree coverage and the TrueSense technology ensuring comfort, wearing this prosthetic limb becomes a seamless experience. Number 8. Jizai Arms. Jizai Arms is an extraordinary creation that will undoubtedly leave you in awe. This ingenious invention brings to life a range of meticulously crafted mechanical arms inspired by traditional Japanese craftsmanship. These arms are not only exquisitely designed but also fully functional. Each arm is intricately engineered to mimic the movements of the human body with astonishing precision. From fingers that can delicately grasp objects to wrists that rotate and elbows that bend, Jizai Arms showcases the fusion of artistry and engineering. Number 7. The Real Wheel. When it comes to camping and accessing remote areas, transportation can be a challenge due to limited car traffic and inaccessible terrain. The Real Wheel offers a solution with its electric mono wheel, specifically designed for off-road transportation. This innovative wheel can carry up to 200 pounds of cargo and features a unique design where parts of the load can be stored inside the wheel, while the top part serves as a table. Resistant to debris like twigs, rocks, and sand, the wheel's lightweight foam construction weighs only 25 pounds when empty. Priced at approximately $300, it offers convenient and versatile transportation for camping enthusiasts. Number 6. Home Elevators. The future of transportation is already here with the availability of home elevators. These unique elevators utilize pneumatic technology and can be installed in residential properties. Compared to conventional elevators, this system offers a more cost-effective solution with smoother operation. The available models can accommodate up to 3 people, a specialized version designed for wheelchair accessibility. With a maximum capacity of 525 pounds, riders can enjoy a panoramic 360-degree view during their journey. Number 5. Nemo's Garden. Nemo's Garden is a pioneering project that showcases the world's first example of underwater agriculture using terrestrial plants. 6 special spheres located on the seabed near the Italian coast house over 600 crops and float at depths ranging from 15 to 36 feet. This self-sufficient system utilizes solar power and desalinates seawater. Despite facing challenges such as a major hurricane in 2019 and the pandemic, the team resumed their work in 2021. As of now, there are no other operational systems like this in the world, making Nemo's garden a unique and innovative approach to sustainable farming. Number 4. Sugru. Sugru, a versatile and moldable material resembling gum or Play-Doh, serves as a universal helper in repairs and construction projects. This self-setting rubber possesses remarkable properties. After opening the package, it remains elastic for approximately 30 minutes before hardening. Within 12 to 24 hours, it solidifies further, resembling rubber while retaining its damping properties. Sugru adheres well and securely, offering resistance to boiling water and dishwasher safety. Withstanding temperatures from -76 to +356 degrees Fahrenheit, it is non-conductive, making it safe to use around electricity. Sugru finds numerous applications from repairing broken objects to creating convenient handles and patches, providing a reliable and adaptable solution for various tasks. Number 3. Kuka Omnimove. Kuka Omnimove is an extraordinary transport platform designed for heavy loads. With a staggering payload capacity of up to 198,416 pounds and a length up to 98 feet, it showcases impressive engineering capabilities. The platform's accuracy, with a tolerance of plus or minus 1.2 inches, is complemented by a user-friendly remote control system. The Kuka navigation solution empowers the platform to navigate autonomously, even without predefined markings, and move in any direction. The versatility of the Kuka Omnimove is further enhanced by the option to choose from 10 different versions and customize them with additional modules to meet specific task requirements. Number 2. O2 Trainer. The O2 Trainer is a gadget designed to enhance the efficiency of breathing. It is targeted towards athletes, diving enthusiasts, and individuals seeking respiratory training. With just 30 repetitions, approximately 4 to 5 minutes, users can engage in an effective workout that strengthens their lungs, diaphragm, and other muscles. The benefits extend beyond fitness, positively impacting everyday life. Compact and made of silicone rubber, the device is portable and easily fits in a bag or backpack. Number 1. TrueGrip. TrueGrip presents an innovative solution for those who struggle with typing on smartphones or tablets. This unique keyboard promises improved comfort and typing speed. After approximately 10 hours of training and adaptation, users can achieve typing speeds only 20% slower than on a traditional keyboard. The keyboard design features main keys positioned under the left hand, while less important keys are under the right hand. The keys are located on the back of the device with semi-transparent icons visible to the user. That's gonna be all for this video. We hope you have enjoyed it a lot. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon for more interesting videos like this. Thank you for watching our video.